United Nations Population Fund (UNFPA), in collaboration with the UN Office for Disaster Risk Reduction (UNDRR), have hosted a strategic dialogue on inclusive humanitarian preparedness and response in Dhaka. The event brought together the government and other key stakeholders to discuss the urgent need for inclusively in disaster preparedness and response programs, particularly for marginalized groups such as persons with disabilities, gender diverse populations, and adolescent girls. This dialogue also produced key recommendations to ensure that gender diverse groups, persons with disabilities, with adolescent girls are fully included in humanitarian programs, particularly in safeguarding the SRH rights and ensuring protection from violence.
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।